Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic sensortour.com. Next level insights data AI is now part of SensorTour. Responsibly sourced data, your data origin story matters. Not all data is created equally. You already have great enterprise data that you collect from the inside looking out at the market. We augment your enterprise data with data we collect from the outside looking in. Using our global statistical panel, our data is better than anyone else for several reasons, including we are hyper focused on building our data estate organically from real people, not synthetically from an AI. Privacy and security are core principles we are transparent with our customer about, plus we have the SOC seal to prove it. Our panel portfolio spans the global digital economy, letting us see things other providers cannot. Engage with the modern digital consumer, uncover opportunities for growth. Equip your teams with accurate data on top competitors and industry leaders to accelerate your USA strategy, plus see the trends, news cycle, and updates that are affecting the digital landscape overall. Dive into the mind of the mobile users, understand what kind of users are attached to certain mobile apps by key demographics. Zoom in to see how those users from habits around certain mobile apps and how they stay engaged long term. Optimize your digital advertising spend with the world of digital advertising expanding rapidly. Examine the ad networks and creatives that makes a successful digital strategy. Analyze post IDFA data signals that drive advertising trends. Sensor towards become a core part of our industry and competitive analysis, providing visibility into the global mobile landscape as well as many international markets of internet. Gain valuable insights on the great app economy, store intelligence with highly accurate real-time global data from the App Store and Global Play. Detect changes in the downloads and installs that drive the mobile app economy. Segment performance, metrics by country, device, and more, and contextualize growth with sensor towards revenue per download and average revenue by daily active users. Usage intelligence built on a cutting edge data science model, sensor towards usage intelligence delivers key metrics on mobile app retention, demographics, and engagement across all markets. Analyze the growth of daily active users of any given app to measure stickiness, the drive deeper, and break down retention by total session and time spent to understand the demographic characteristics of users that engage with certain apps and which users of one app may be more likely to the user another. App Intelligence analyze the top performing trends in creatives and ad networks across all mobile categories to develop an iterative, agile paid campaign strategy. Access traditional mobile ad networks like AdWords or AppLovin. A dive into the effectiveness of advertising on Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and more. Sensor towards IDFA, free data, signals of key insights into the best way to develop paid advertising on mobile devices. So, guys, consumer intelligence developed via open proprietary first party Panel Consumer Intelligence zooms in our users' behavior trends among the biggest apps in the digital world. Obtain granular, unfiltered audience data to help set critical usage benchmarks and assess rare impacts and retention over critical time periods. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.